when it comes to identifying who a good potential franchisee is, anyone can do this business, right? Like when we think of the restoration industry, and I kind of jokingly tell people, at the end of the day, we suck water. It's not rocket science. Anybody can do it. But just because anybody can do it doesn't mean they're going to be successful in it. And really, the people that are the most successful are the ones that are extremely communicative with homeowners. They go out of their way to, do those little small things that help translate into, long-term success for the business. So it can be as simple as saying, I'm sorry, right? Like, look, I'm sorry that you're going through this. None of our competitors do that. And that is one of those little things that'll jump out and give you an opportunity to be successful, whereas, some other people won't. The restoration industry has a reputation of being very much attracted to the dollar signs and not caring about the person that's going through the issue in their home. Because really, when people call you, they are having their worst day. Even in the handful of months I've been open, the number of times I've gotten a phone call from a customer on the franchise side of the business, where you get people in tears because, maybe they had a fire in their house or their basement is full of sewage and they're just thinking like, I will never be able to get the thing out of my home. Like, this whole place, I may as well just burn it to the ground, When you have the social intelligence of how to handle somebody in that situation, that's one of those things that I guess you could call it the intangibles of what makes a really good franchise owner, is having that care and empathy and not brushing that person off, even if they're asking you 1,000 questions and you don't know the answers to all of them. It's all about just giving them the time of day to let them get that off their chest because they've gone through something traumatic.